Chapter 7 Ultra-Personalized AI-Enabled Education, Precision Healthcare and Wellness. Part 3 AI-Enabled Ultra-Personalized Wellness. As people are being more instrumented and more data becomes available, another massive growth area for AI in health is set up to be in ultra-personalized wellness and prevention of unwellness. Health wellness refers to a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, or being in a state of good health from a mind, body, and spirit perspective, where this is pursued as an active lifestyle goal and not just the absence of sickness. As we grow our global population size, get more connected, and accumulate massive volumes of information, knowledge, and material abundance, we find ourselves in an awkward, complex, and arduous situation that not only presents us with significant challenges from a climate, resource, and geopolitical perspective, but specifically also major socioeconomic, health, and wellness problems. Globally, we are faced with an increasing unwell workforce of 3.2 billion people that, apart from the significant impact on our global economy due to lost productivity and medical expenses in order of 10 to 15% of the global economic output, have direct implications on an individual level, where more people are growing older, suffer from chronic lifestyle diseases, struggle financially, and feel more stressed and unhappy. The Global Wellness Institute estimates that in the US alone, the cost of chronic disease, mental health, stress, employee withdrawal, and job-related injuries and sickness are more than 12% of the US global domestic product, which amounts to $2.2 trillion per annum. In parallel to this, we also have more people in fast-growing urban settings that are becoming health conscious and spending money to improve their wellness. This all sets the scene for a fast-growing global wellness economy, currently estimated to be approximately $4.5 trillion in market size, and includes personal care, beauty and anti-aging, $1 trillion, physical activity, $828 billion, healthy eating, nutrition and weight loss, $702 billion, wellness tourism, $639 billion, preventative and personalized medicine and public health, $575 billion, and other sizable markets, such as traditional and complementary medicine, workplace wellness, health spas, and wellness real estate. We also see that the health and wellness markets are becoming less fragmented and more interconnected to offer health wellness solutions and experiences in the places where people live, work, play, and travel. Research and Markets projects the global health and wellness market to grow at a compound annual growth rate of around 4% during 2020 to 2025. Some of the prominent companies in the global wellness economy includes Amway, Bayer, Brunswick Corporation, Danone, David Lloyd Leisure, Fitness First, Herbalife Nutrition, Holland & Barrett, LA Fitness, L'Oreal, Nestle, Procter Gamble, Unilever, Virgin Active, and Vita Biotics. Most of these and other similar companies also have various AI-powered initiatives, such as Amway's e-commerce platform that makes use of machine learning to improve its online sales, as well as a chatbot to improve online communication between consumers and representatives of their nutrition, beauty, personal care, and home products, and provide information through social media channels on a 24/7 basis. Bayer is, for example, applying AI across its business in a number of initiatives, from disease prediction to advanced patient care, making use of a federated learning approach to access data it does not own to identify promising drug compounds and help spot a rare gene mutation, and also collaboration with various partners such as Exscientia to leverage AI in cardiovascular and oncology drug discovery use cases. Bayer has also invested in a number of digital health and AI startups in the health and wellness space. Danone, with its One Planet, One Health vision that links human health and the planet's across its entire value chain, has partnered with Microsoft on an AI factory for agri-food to support startups specializing in the application of AI to innovate in areas of serving regenerative agriculture, sustainable food, waste minimization, and optimization of supply chains. Herbalife Nutrition uses AI to improve their customer experience through the use of a voice of customer service and intelligent personal assistance that, for example, provides information and addresses questions about their products, such as the ingredients and the nutritional value of their Formula One meal replacement protein shake. Nestlé, as the world's largest food company with a stated goal of wanting to be a recognized leader in nutritional health and wellness, has embraced the wellness market by embarking on a health program that uses AI, DNA testing, and social media shares to create personalized diet plans targeting health-conscious consumers. L'Oréal, as the world's largest cosmetics company, has recently launched an AI-powered at-home system called Perso that provides personalized skincare solutions by assessing the user's complexion and local environment conditions, getting the user's input on personal skincare concerns and product preferences, dispensing a single dose of a personalized blend of product such as moisturizer, under-eye cream or serum, and also alerting users to the best working formulas, working best for them, and automatically adapting its formulas. Procter Gamble, a multinational consumer goods corporation that also specializes in personal health, care, and hygiene products, has recently partnered with Google to use their AI, cloud, and data analytics to enable more personalized experiences for consumers in a trusted environment. Some examples of Procter & Gamble's AI-infused products include Olay's Skin Advisor platform, which uses AI to offer users personal skincare consultations and advice, the Oral-B Genius X toothbrush that offers personalized feedback on brushing techniques, and Lumni by Pampers that provides insights and emerging patterns whilst monitoring a baby's sleep routine. AI is also revolutionizing the fitness industry by making fitness machines, wearables, gadgets, and mobile applications smarter. The applications include, for example, fitness and diet planning mobile applications, wristbands, footwear, and smart assistants for gyms and health clubs. Aptiv Coach is an AI-enabled health and fitness coach that offers personalized lifestyle and fitness plans on a daily and weekly basis based on a user's eating habits, present fitness levels and future fitness goals to stay fit, lose weight, build strength, get faster, or reduce stress. Fitness AI automatically generates personalized workouts where AI is used to optimize sets, reps, and weight for each exercise, track progress over time, and generate insights. LiftR is an experimental virtual personal fitness trainer powered by AI and computer vision that gives real-time feedback as a person does specific exercises to practice safe and proper form. As part of their digital therapeutic solutions, especially aimed at chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and musculoskeletal conditions, Kaya Health uses AI to monitor and analyze human movement to provide real-time instructions as well as feedback via smartphone. Xenia provides an AI-based personal yoga assistant that analyzes the body movements, sets accurate posture during an asana, monitors progress, and provides real-time tracking and feedback on its users' asana performance. Key factors in driving the growth of the health wellness market includes the growing pervasiveness of chronic lifestyle diseases, longer lifespans, and increase in stress levels, unhappiness, and mental health issues, such as anxiety and depression. These factors are, amongst other things, caused by an inactive lifestyle, frantic schedules, and busy lives, where we see a significant increase in chronic conditions. In fact, unhealthy lifestyle behavior and risks such as poor diet, physical inactivity, smoking, lack of health screening, poor stress management, insufficient sleep, and excessive alcohol consumption drive 15 chronic conditions that account for 80% of the total costs for all chronic illnesses worldwide. Some of the top chronic conditions include diabetes, coronary artery disease, hypertension, back pain, obesity, cancer, asthma, arthritis, allergies, sinusitis, depression, congestive heart failure, lung disease, kidney disease, and high cholesterol. These chronic diseases not only lead to individuals not living optimally, but also have a major impact on business, leading to increased absenteeism, increased staff turnover, lower productivity, increased disability, increased healthcare costs, and a negative effect on a company culture. This has encouraged many people across the globe to integrate wellness into their daily lives by adopting various healthcare and recreational physical activities such as fitness, sports, active recreation, and mindful movement, as well as meditation, yoga, and going to mineral spas and on wellness vacations. Health spas make, for example, use of specialized therapeutic waters to treat a range of spinal column conditions, cardiovascular diseases, bronchitis, circulation disorder, asthma, and rheumatism. With wearable devices and sensors, health-related data can be sent to smartphones and wellness apps to monitor various aspects of a person's health, such as activity levels, heart rate, blood pressure, blood sugar levels, oxygenation, and sleep patterns, as well as facilitating proactive actions such as dispensing insulin where necessary or making recommendations with respect to lifestyle behavior changes to improve well-being. Over the last few years, we have seen a significant growth in the emerging wearable technology and devices market that includes smartwatches, sports and fitness trackers, electronic skin patches, smart glasses, and head-mounted displays, smart pillows to track sleep quality and patterns, wearable health alert and monitoring devices, non-invasive and minimally invasive continuous glucose monitoring sensors, electrocardiogram sensors to measure electrical signals in your heart to determine the rate and strength of heartbeat, photoplethysmogram sensors to detect blood volume changes, wearable temperature monitoring, hydration sensors, wearable sweat sensors, smart contact lenses, medical hearables, smart footwear, smart clothing, cosmetics patches, stretchable artificial skin, wearable exoskeletons, pregnancy and newborn monitoring, wearable drug delivery, and even smart wound care. With this type of instrumentation that is generating a continuous stream of exponentially growing health wellness related data, AI is poised to have a transformative impact across the health and wellness sector. Apart from helping healthcare and wellness providers to be more effective, AI can help to democratize personalized care by empowering people to manage their own wellness and healthcare, assisting them to keep themselves well and lead healthier lifestyles, capturing and analyzing their health and wellness data, predicting the impact of their current lifestyle choices, simulating their future health state based on a current state and historical patterns, and generating tailored recommendations within their own context and circumstances. AI can specifically enable deeper levels of personalization with respect to an individual's health and wellness condition and managing physical activities, exercise, nutrition, weight, sleep, and stress levels. These ultra-personalized digital wellness solutions can be offered in tandem with services provided by wellness and healthcare professionals such as physicians, nurses, biokineticists, trainers, dietitians, and nutritionists to enhance and meet the demand for these services. By enabling dynamic personalization, these AI-driven systems can nudge and guide people to achieve their individual health and wellness goals within their personal circumstances and context. From a nutritional perspective, it can, for example, simplify their healthy eating routines, automatically capture detailed food intake, and analyze the nutritional composition, provide insights into the impact of specific food intake on overall wellness over time, help to understand the impact of blood sugar levels as a result of eating various foods, report on nutritional intake patterns and trends, generate real-time instructions and even modifications for the current meal, detect overindulgence or unhealthy eating, and suggest an appropriate diet plan to help with detoxification and provide recommendations, nudging, and notifications to keep people on track with respect to healthy eating. By allowing a dietitian or nutritionist to have access to these data and insights. Further in-depth coaching tips and advice can be provided to help guide future meals. It is clear that scalable AI-enabled ultra-personalized wellness services that are relevant, dynamic, engaging, fast, consistent, and interacting with people in real time can add real value, make a difference, and help people achieve their health and wellness goals. As with any medical advice, it is also very important that solutions should preferably, and as far as possible, always have scientific evidence supporting claims made about health benefits, advice, recommendations, or interventions. Lydia Kostopoulos, with whom I have participated in AI for Good and United Nations events in Geneva, Switzerland a few years ago, examined how emerging AI technologies that are more focused on mental and emotional health are used within the wellness field. In order to evaluate current AI technologies, their benefits to well-being, and their ethical implications, she used a framework to categorize these technologies into intangible, tangible, and embedded AI wellness. Whereas intangible AI does not have a physical form and communicate with users via, for example, an intelligent virtual assistant or notifications on a device, tangible AI are embodied in a physical form, such as the AI in a vehicle, doll, or robotic pet. An example of embedded AI wellness includes brain-computer interfaces that augment the human brain with respect to intelligence, mood, or help people with paralysis to regain independence through the control of computer-based devices. Some intangible AI solutions to help identify, diagnose, prevent, manage, and address mental health and addiction-related problems include Wobot, mentioned earlier in this chapter, that helps manage mental health through cognitive behavioral therapy, MindStrong, that provides virtual therapy and psychiatric care that uses AI to proactively predict emotional health and wellness issues, and Addict Aid, that helps people avoid addictive behaviors such as substance abuse, alcoholism, gambling, internet usage, and pornography through predictive behavior, proactive guidance, and personalized treatment options. Another intangible AI wellness use case involves the use of robots, AI, and service automation in hotels to enhance the customer experience and provide hyper-personalized wellness services at these tourism and hospitality facilities. Some of the main ethical concerns with the current state of AI used in these solutions involves responses that are too rigid, not being grounded in human understanding of the world, not understanding true meaning, lacking a deep level of human empathy, potentially expanding the digital bubbles that people currently live in, possibly making people more entitled, and providing an illusionary form of therapy that is not really effective. Some examples of tangible AI wellness solutions include Zeek Smart Pillow that can be used with Amazon Alexa and tracks and analyzes sleep duration and cycles and snoring impact on restfulness, and AI wellness robots such as Payro, the learning therapeutic seal that responds to touch and has been used to reduce stress and comfort patients with dementia, and Stevie the elderly care robot that interacts with people through conversations, expressions, pictures, and health-related reminders and function as a video messaging platform that can also make calls to emergency services if needed. A brain-computer interface is a form of embedded AI that provides a communication channel between a human brain and an external device to augment or repair human cognitive or sensory motor functions. These systems can acquire a variety of electrical and magnetic signals from the brain and nervous systems, use machine learning to analyze and translate them, and act in an active mode to complete a mental task using neuromotor output, a reactive stimulus-based conditional mode that acts on selective attention, and passive mode that involves no visual stimulus. Apart from a long history of animal and human brain-computer interface research efforts that range from invasive to non-invasive and increasing use of state-of-the-art machine learning, there has been a number of tech startups that are actively improving the state-of-the-art in this area, such as Neuralink, that aims to create symbiosis between the human brain and AI, Neurable, that develops neurotechnology tools that interpret human intent, measure emotion, and provide telekinetic control. NextMind, with their non-invasive brain sensing devices that uses AI to translate electroencephalogram activity into commands. And Emotive, with their brain data hardware and software solutions that can examine stress and focus to help improve diagnosis of brain diseases and disorders. As these AI-enabled technologies and solutions continue to advance at a rapid rate, the potential is there for both significant enhancement and harm to people's emotional and mental well-being. So wisdom will be needed to apply these types of systems in safe, ethical, robust, and responsible ways that will not lead to emotionally and mentally weaker people and an overdependence on smart technology, but applied in meaningful ways in tandem with human wellness expertise to leverage the best of both worlds. International organizations such as the World Health Organization and Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development (OECD) also have principles and explicit goals with respect to humanity's well-being. With the OECD's goal to shape policies that foster prosperity, opportunity, equality, and well-being for humanity, they have developed a well-being framework covering 11 dimensions of well-being from an inequality, resources, and risk factors perspective. Income and wealth, work and job quality, housing, health, knowledge and skills, environment quality, subjective well-being, safety, work-life balance, social connections, and civic engagement. In applying these smart technology-driven solutions to help increase wellness, it is important to measure well-being, what drives well-being of people, and what needs to be done to achieve greater progress for all. To this end, the OECD has recently released a report on How's Life 2020 that measures well-being in 41 countries to determine whether life is getting better for people, how policies can improve our lives, and are the right things being measured. They report that although people's well-being has improved in various ways, progress has been slow and even worse in others, including how people connect with each other and their government. They also indicate that progress in current well-being does not necessarily match the improvement in resources across human, economic, natural, and social capital that are needed to sustain well-being over time. Workplace wellness, which on its own has a current market size of about $48 billion, remains relatively small in comparison to the financial burdens and losses created by unhealthy, overstressed employees. The Global Wellness Institute reports that only 9.8% of the world's 3.2 billion plus workforce has access to a wellness program, ranging from 52% and 23% in North America and Europe, respectively, to only 5% in Asia Pacific and Latin America and 1% in Africa. Such programs remain essential to combat preventable chronic diseases. As companies are faced with the new coronavirus as a global health crisis, workplace wellness is further in the spotlight, with companies putting measures in place to help protect their employees as we work to control the spread. Corporate wellness programs give employees incentives, tools, social support, privacy, and strategies to adopt and maintain healthy behaviors. Workplaces across the world are implementing employee wellness programs because improvement of individual wellness within businesses leads to a return on investment for companies with respect to increased productivity and performance levels, decreased absenteeism, helping to attract and retain the best staff, and increased levels of engagement with staff. There are many corporate wellness companies that are working to transform workplace health, happiness, and productivity. For example, WellSteps, that also claim to have one of the most effective corporate wellness programs in the United States and a winner of the Coop National Health Award, provides a worksite wellness solution to reduce employee healthcare costs and improve employee health via health risk assessment, goal setting, activity and incentive trackers, behavior change tools, weekly tasks, quizzes, team competitions, evaluation, and incentives. Their platform incorporates research-based interactive wellness programs into a workplace to educate, motivate, and provide health-promoting skills and tools in order to help employees adopt, improve, and maintain healthy behaviors, and build self-efficacy by reducing the behavior change process to manageable weekly tasks. Sonic Boom is another corporate wellness company in the US that provides a customizable, social, and gamified well-being platform that helps to maximize motivation and accountability through competition, cooperation, positive peer pressure, and reward systems. Other corporate wellness program examples include Wellness Corporate Solutions that offer wellness campaigns, health fairs, and health risk assessments to employees. WorkStride helps corporates recognize and reward behaviors that already occur to improve employee wellness. Total Wellness specializes in biometric screenings and flu shots. And Wellable provides a wellness platform that enables companies to create wellness programs that engages employees in holistic well-being educational modules and activities. Corporate wellness can be enhanced by smart technology-driven personalized wellness solutions to provide deeper insights at greater scale and do more than just promoting fitness, nutrition, and the benefits of exercise with incentives to lose weight or reduce the risk of high blood pressure, stroke, heart attack, or early onset of diabetes. AI that helps to unlock value from all available data sources, wellness DNA, and other biomarker testing, digital diagnostic and health tools, and cognitive technologies for behavior change are among the many advances enabling health and wellness options to be individualized to a person from their needs, challenges, and physiology to their lifestyle preferences and personal values. Apart from enabling healthcare providers to help patients more effectively, AI-driven solutions can also help to provide more specialized care through empowering individuals to manage their own wellness, change their lifestyle habits and behavior, and lead healthier lifestyles by capturing and analyzing their health data, building models to predict the impact of their current lifestyle choices and project their future health state, and getting proactive and preventative support, recommendations, and advice. With more data available to enable machine learning-based prediction of patient behavior and disease probabilities, healthcare and health insurance providers are in much better position to be proactive and focus on disease management, wellness, and prevention. By encouraging, nudging, and incentivizing people to maintain healthy lifestyle behaviors and change unhealthy behaviors, not only will this improve the general health of the population, alleviate the demand on the healthcare system, and reduce healthcare expenditure, but also decrease risk, enable superior underwriting, and help increase the profitability of health insurance providers. Some examples of health insurance providers that encourage preventative care include Oscar Health in the US and Discovery Health in South Africa. Discovery has, for example, a program called Vitality that tracks the health, diet, and fitness activity of people and encourages and rewards members to live healthier. As part of fast-tracking the move to preventative wellness and care, we're also likely to see new partnership among healthcare payers, healthcare and wellness providers, and pharmaceutical companies that will implement AI-driven pay-for-performance models and collaborate on AI-based risk management and detection modeling. McKinsey Global Institute provides an example where healthcare insurers can save significant costs in their payment plans to reimburse hospitals, clinics, and doctors that is typically based on the average cost of treatment across all healthcare providers in the group. By using machine learning to analyze historical patient data, costs associated with diagnosing physicians and orthopedic surgeons can be reduced by 4 to 5% and 8 to 12% respectively. Companies such as GoodRx in the US claims to save insured and uninsured employees up to 80% of their drug prescriptions, which amounts to over $15 billion. The health wellness sector is also going through a forced evolution as internationally healthcare and health insurance cost is at unsustainable levels. Claims are almost 100% of premiums. Companies are cutting cost and contributions and reducing benefits. Individuals cannot afford premiums and or co-payments, and people are living longer. It is clear that the system is thoroughly broken and the only viable solution seemed to be prevention, as opposed to a predominantly chemical approach. Some of the current pain points in the customer wellness journey includes wellness program engagement levels as low as 10%, especially outside the US. The take-up levels of wellness programs as low as 15%. Wellness offerings typically follow an one-size-fits-all approach and presented as an add-on as opposed to being personalized and a core part of employee assistance programs. Health and wellness data is extremely fragmented, which makes it difficult to provide comprehensive AI-driven digital solutions and analysis. With the unsustainable cost increases, individuals suffer from both a health and financial perspective, and many people have or will have no care in retirement with poor quality of life and unaffordable cost. Employers also suffer in productivity and absenteeism, which have a financial impact. And medical schemes suffer as a result of inefficient and reactive programs directly impacting reserves and therefore premiums to members. AI-driven personalized wellness solutions can help address this insufferable situation. The introduction of these solutions is validated and made possible due to the computational power, storage, instrumentation, and digitization that have increased dramatically and resulted in massive data sources that can be accessed instantly and processed by AI algorithms to provide insights, predictive analytics, and personalized real-time solutions. Another contributing factor is awareness of health and wellness amongst consumers as a very strong worldwide trend. As a result, we are starting to see more AI-driven personalized wellness offerings and startups to flourish around the globe. One such solution is Cortex Logic's AI-enabled ultra-personalized health wellness platform called Journey Wellness that provides real-time, relevant, on-demand, and proactive guidance, advice, support, and recommendations to help optimize a user's wellness whilst ensuring high standards of data privacy and choice. The system makes use of the Cortex AI engine to build a holistic and dynamic 360-degree wellness profile and has an AI-driven personalized wellness coach that provides information and personalized advice, coaching, and guidance with respect to healthy eating and diet, exercise and fitness, mental wellness, and health with a specific focus on chronic lifestyle diseases. Apart from having access to these deep domain knowledge on wellness-related knowledge bases and building up rich user interaction data and personalized context of the individual's wellness state over time, Journey connects with a spectrum of data sources such as digitized health risk assessments and surveys embedded within the platform, wearable devices, medical claims data, employee data, and other external health and wellness data. Each of these data sources are mined by the AI engine to enrich the individual's wellness profile, provide insights and predictive analysis using state-of-the-art machine learning and statistical models. As soon as the user has completed the initial health risk assessment, the user is provided with a dynamic dashboard that shows the current personalized wellness score that is built up from a range of indices that covers lifestyle, diet, morbidity, mental health, and heart health. It also provides visualizations of the individual's current biometrics, such as body mass index, glucose level, cholesterol level, and blood pressure, a summarized view of lifestyle risk factors and chronic conditions if relevant, as well as a journal of the wellness metrics that are being tracked over time. Apart from the intelligent virtual coach chatbot-style interaction, the platform also interacts with the user via dynamic personalized advice dashboard and push notifications that give specific advice and feedback based on the individual's specific wellness state, weekly checkup surveys to see how the user is progressing, and a real-time rewards dashboard that measures overall wellness, changing lifestyle behavior, and engagement. The more the user interacts with the wellness platform and its virtual coach, the better the system captures and learns the user's specific wellness profile and underlying dynamics to improve on the quality, proactiveness, and relevancy of the personalized advice, coaching, and guidance over time. The wellness platform complements human managed care professionals by providing preventative care for people that are on their way to having a chronic lifestyle disease, as well as managed care for people diagnosed with one or more chronic diseases, which can be presented as specific programs such as diabetes care, cardio care, mental health, and HIV care. The digitized health screening assessments also facilitates the screening done by Journey's network of nurses and healthcare professionals via home visits or company wellness days, whereas the coach can also connect users to a network of healthcare professionals, which includes nurses, counseling and trauma specialists, biokineticists, and nutritionists. The Journey platform also provides employer groups and medical schemes with a better, proactive, and effective solution to help their employees or members live healthier lives by changing negative lifestyle habits and patterns. The Journey Wellness platform is tailored for organizations and their people with a deep understanding of their uniqueness, grounded in rigorous analysis and data-driven insight, using AI to create lasting, differentiated value. Journey has a user view for the employees and members, as well as company or medical scheme administration view for analysis and predictive analytics on anonymized wellness data of their employees or members that provides insights about the effectiveness of the personalized wellness nudging and support and the impact on the company or medical scheme's business. Employers would like to increase employee productivity, reduce absenteeism, and improve on existing human resource and employee assistance programs that are ineffective, fragmented, reactive, and costly. With significant increases in claims, as well as healthcare costs related to preventable diseases, medical schemes are fighting for financial sustainability and need a proactive, effective wellness solution that actively engages members and helps them on a personalized level to live healthier lives through changing unfavorable lifestyle behaviors on an opt-in and opt-out basis with privacy and confidentiality. Utilizing the same AI-driven platform infrastructure as Journey, Cortex Logic has also developed a virtual mental wellness companion for teenagers and young adults called Vive Teens, which is initially being rolled out in South Africa to help address this urgent need and to act as a safety net for the younger people that need assistance and guidance. These type of AI-driven digital wellness solutions continues to reshape how a company encourages what it seeks to achieve, a healthier workforce, in mind and body, based on its acceptance of expert advice, based on the intelligence not only of a higher form of technology, but of a heightened state about the stakes themselves, that we have a vital say in living better. Smart technology can indeed revolutionize the workplace wellness and usher in a new era, an exciting period of wellness for all.